Today onwards, our school is 1 month vacation. Uh,
Okay, okay. So
yes,
now after October month, your school will be opened.
reopen actually at 1st of November. Yes.
Okay, 1st November it will open. Okay, that's great.
What-
So
Today,
what? So
today I watched your video with Mukul, I think.
okay, so do you know him?
Yes, yes, because before yesterday, I said him that I provide you Skype link. So many I have friend. So after that, I think he upload this Skype link, and I think he actually got your number. You got your link.
Okay, okay, that's great
Yes, yes.
because we need to help each other.
Yes, yes. This is the reason I provide this all the number, all the details actually,
Okay.
because we need practice. Without
Yes,
practice,
yes.
and we need partner.
Yes, yes. Without practice, we can't improve and we can't get anything.
Yes, yes, yes. This is
Yeah, so
the
that's why practice make perfect everyone.
part. Yes, and we need partner. Actually, we need partner.
Yes, yes, partner also, and without partner also, but without partner too much difficult
Yes,
to
yes, yes, yes,
practice. But
yes,
when we get partner, so it is easy to practice.
yes,
And we can learn from each other many things, like suppose some bouquet something I
yes, yes,
can deliver, something I can receive from you, this kind of,
yes,
we help to each other, so that's why partner is good to practice.
yes, yes. And if you have some sufficient partner, so you it is better because everybody busy his schedule. Because no, not everybody available all the time. So if you one person is busy, that time we find another person is free. So that time we communicate to other person. This is the
Yes,
reason.
yes, and that's why we need lots of partner and those who are really eager to improve their English.
Yes, yes, yes,
Yeah, and we should not compel anyone like let's practice with me, this kind of.
yes, yes, yes. Because I have so much work at home and outside because I am family person. Still, I do manage few time to talk any person or practice or listening this type of thing. Because if you not do any day, so you skip any day, so you forget everything next day. Because we
Yes.
not habitual or familiar with this language. This is the
Yes,
reason.
yes. Now we are learners, so still we are not habitual, so that's why. Like I am also being busy, even
Yes,
though I take get my time, I know how to get my time, all that thing. Similarly, you are also
yes,
family. You have family. Even you are
yes,
being, despite of being busy, you know
yes,
how to get time.
yes, yes.
Yeah.
At evening, I talk with one friend. His name was Gaurav Singh. He is from Bihar. One now 6 or 7 p.m. Yes, I talk with him.
Okay, okay. This evening.
Gaurav Singh.
Yeah, yeah. This evening, you talked with him.
Today. In a
Okay,
few
okay.
minutes, few hour back.
Okay, okay. On the Skype or like WhatsApp?
No, we have WhatsApp number. We talk with WhatsApp number on WhatsApp number.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes,
Yeah, wherever we get comfortable, we must talk.
yes, yes, yes,
Yes. So, like you got 1 month holiday. So,
yes, yes.
I think you have planned to something for you. Like, what have you planned?
No, this year I do not have any plan because my father was dead or not complete 1 year. So after puja over, then our one ritual is all left. We have to complete our ritual after 1 year. So November first week we do this ritual. So this year we do not do so much thing. This is the one of
Okay,
the yes,
okay, okay. So, I think within this month, which is you got holiday,
yes.
in this month, I think you want to improve your spoken English.
Yes, yes. Definitely I try to my best. 1 month I utilize all the time. whatever I get time, I utilize the time. Yes.
Yeah, that great. That is great thing because now we are really eager to improve our English. So I'm also always try to get time, and whatever I'm getting time, just I'm utilized to improve my spoken English.
Yes, yes, yes. It is necessary, actually necessary.
Yes, yes. So, Sanjib brother, what do you like to eat? Like, what your favorite food?
Actually, I always prefer to eat home food. I do not like to outside food. But sometime whenever occasion time I went to outside. That time I took some food outside.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
I always prefer to take home food, homemade food.
Homemade food. Yeah,
Yes.
that is great because homemade food always keep us healthy.
Healthy. Yes, yes, yes. This is the one reason.
And
Yes.
out of food, like if I talk about out of home food, any restaurant, anything, so that is junk food, and
Junk
they
food.
are adding many things, sauces, all that thing, cream,
Yes, yes,
sauces, which is harmful for our body.
yes, yes.
Yeah,
But
I
sometimes we took actually on occasion time. Actually, especially occasion time, we took uh, this type of food, junk food
okay,
like momo, chow mein, this type of food.
okay. They are also favorite momos.
Yes, yes, because in our areas, hill area and also plain area, we delicious momo. You cannot imagine have so much delicious.
Okay. Here also momos. They are making different type of momos like tandoori momos and
Yes,
simple fry momos. So that's
yes,
why.
yes,
Yeah,
yes, yes.
I prefer tandoori momos.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but I also eat in a month one times or twice time.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, sometime we need tasty food. I
Yes,
know
yes,
that
yes. It is.
it is also harmful, but we need tasty
But
food which is delicious.
yes, yes, yes. Sometimes we change it mood, our mood, so we take this type of food. Yes,
Yeah, sometime we need to cheat.
yes, yes.
Yes, yes. So do you know how to cook
Mm,
food,
yes,
anything?
not too much think, but I manage somehow to cook.
Okay,
Yes,
okay. That's great. So sometime I think sometime you also cook food for your
yes,
family.
yes, yes, yes. Sometimes I
Yeah,
do.
that is good.
Yes, I do sometimes.
Okay, that's great. I also know how to cook, so I am also preparing before getting married.
Yes, yes. Oh, you still not married?
No,
You
it's still not. I'm not. Still not. I haven't married.
okay, okay, okay.
Yeah, so that's why I'm also preparing. I'm also learning how to cook food, all that thing, because
Actually,
it
it is
will be helpful
actually
for
it
me.
is actually it's necessary. Sometimes it is need at home because sometime about family member feel sick or well, do not feel well. That time I will help him.
Yes, yes, that's why it is essential also. We uh,
Essential.
we we must know how to cook food because it is true. Like sometime our family member they get fever and some kind of illness. So
Yes,
at that
yes.
time, if we depend on them, so it is a very bad thing.
That thing. Yes, yes,
Yeah, so at that time we should help, we should cook food for them, and we should take care of them as much
yes,
as.
yes.
Yes, that's why.
Actually, what happens when I cook anything? So little bit problem with what quantity of spice, how much quantity of spice I put. That time I this little bit face problem.
Confused.
Yes, yes. Salt,
Oh,
spice, how much quantity I put. That is a
so
little I mistake, do mistake.
yeah, but whenever you cook, you must try to add less salt, less.
Yes, yes, yes. If
Yeah,
one,
because salt we
if,
can add after cooking also we can add.
yes, yes, yes. It is
Yeah,
true.
but initial time if we add too much salt, so it is impossible to reduce.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes. True, true, true. It is true.
Yes, yes. And similarly also if you want to add spicy like chili, so initial time we should use as much as less.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, if anyone wants, so they can also take green chili.
Yes. Yes. No,
Yeah.
we actually prefer green chili. We do not use red chili. Actually, we prefer
Okay.
green chili. Yes.
Okay. But whenever I cook, I use MDH Degi red chili. It is for
Okay. Okay.
color, purpose of color. It
Yes,
enhance
yes,
more beautiful our vegetable.
yes, yes. It is yes.
Yeah,
Increase
and
color.
looking also delicious.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes. So that's why.
Okay.
And I think in your place there is in Bengal there is famous fish.
Yes, yes. Fees
Yeah.
is compulsory to our actually our daily life actually
Daily basic.
daily basis. Yes, yes.
Yes.
Actually, I only Saturday we do not take non-veg, but otherwise we take non-veg. Or
Okay.
only Saturday we take veg, or other day we take non-veg.
Okay. Except
Yes,
Saturday, you take except Saturday you take non-veg.
yes, yes.
Yeah.
Only Saturday non.
Saturday some kind of a special
Yes, because
special day.
no, no, no. Actually, any person maintain Tuesday or Saturday or Friday, but we
Yeah.
maintain Saturday. We Saturday took some veg actually.
Yes, yes. Because of we are following our religions.
Yes, yes. This is
Yes, it is
this.
good thing. It is good
Yes.
thing. That's why. Yeah,
So
like
actually, I do it because in childhood I follow that I time I know that our parents follow this thing. So now we also follow that thing.
yes,
Saturday
yes.
we take no, veg.
Yeah, since childhood you are following same thing, same
Yes,
rule and regulation.
yes,
Yeah, and maximum people following.
yes, yes, yes.
Yes. If I talk about Delhi, so in the Delhi people they don't prefer uh, in the Tuesday.
Okay, okay, okay,
Yeah, 90% people they don't eat in the Tuesday non-veg.
okay, okay, okay.
Yeah, so that's why. And what did you learn today? Any vocab, any idioms?
Okay, I think actually monoglot no monoglot no polyglot means actually so one person knows so much language monoglot polyglot
Monoglot, polyglot,
polyglot
polyglot or monoclot, which is which one?
monologue is one person is a self talk
Okay, okay,
monologue self talk I think monologue means self talk and polyglot means one person know few language more than five
okay,
language. Yes,
okay.
this
It
something
means
it is. And when we speak our mother tongue influence so much. So if we overcome this situation, overcome this type of problem, so we need tongue twister. So we need some tongue twisted practice, like
yeah,
cheek, chin, nose, one thing, and another are too much thing. I note down. Later on, I practice.
yeah. That is good. That is good.
Yes.
Yeah, it's happening with me also. Whenever
Yes.
I learn new vocabs, so initial time I fumble to use and I am unable to correct pronunciation. But after doing practice 3 or 4 times, it is easy for me to apply and include.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So yeah, nice to talk to you.
Okay. Thank you, brother.
Yeah, and I look forward our next meeting. So
Yes, yes.
till then,
We also
bye
look
bye.
forward. Yes,
Yeah.
I look forward to talk with you again and again.
Okay.
Because we need talk. We need practice. We need practice to practice partner. Without partner, we cannot practice our conversation, our fluency. So our
Yes.
motto and intention to improve our fluency. So this is the reason we need partner.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, you are saying right. I agree. So,
Okay.
okay. Thank you for
Okay.
giving your precious time.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye. Good night.
Good night. Good night.